Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to go live on Plenty of Fish. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your Plenty of Fish application. Now, after opening the application, you will see this interface. Here, you'll have to simply click on this small live icon just after this heart icon at the bottom mid. Now, you will be taken to this page where you can see it will show you the privacy policy for POF Live. Now, you'll have to simply click on the proceed icon and it is going to take you to this page where you can see you'll have to click on next. Now, it will show you how it works. You can watch a live stream or take a crack at going live yourself. You can chat with streamers and other viewers by sending messages in the stream, or you can send a gift to a streamer you like and favorite them. Now, click on next on this page and it is instantly going to take you to this page where you can see you have the option to click on start watching. Click on start watching and it will open up this live page. So now, whenever you're going to click on the live icon, it will show you this page. We'll have to simply click on the go live button at the bottom. When you click on go live, it will instantly take you to the page where you can live stream and go live on Plenty of Fish. So that's the simple way to go live on Plenty of Fish. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.